Fried rice, a seemingly simple dish, the cornerstone of countless takeout meals, and the champion of leftover night wonders. But what happens when a not-so-seasoned chef makes a critical error? Witness the culinary chaos unfold as I attempt to make golden fried rice with a surprising twist that'll leave you both shocked and giggling. Will the end result be a restaurant-worthy masterpiece or a sticky, mushy mess fit only for the garbage disposal? Buckle up, grab your chopsticks, and click to find out in this hilarious cooking disaster. Apparently, there's more to fried rice than just throwing everything in a pan. Who knew choosing the right rice would be important? Don't repeat my disaster, folks. This ain't edible art, it's just bad fried rice. Use dry rice, and for the love of good food, choose the right kind. Look at this sticky fried rice, so not appetizing, la. Apologize to Uncle Roger. So, what are your favorite fried rice tips and tricks? Share them in the comments below.